Welcome to the Crescent Park area of One Acre Estates. It's a lifestyle you won't want to miss out on. Here we see a number of new executive estates, renovations, plus older, modest homes slowly being replaced by new ones. Properties typically range from 3/4 to 2-acre parcels offering privacy and serenity with treed lots, cul-de-sacs, and quiet streets. If you like to bike ride, you will be impressed with the many trails leading to Crescent Park and the beach. You are within blocks of Chanterelle Elementary, Elgin Secondary, Ocean Park Shopping Center, and the freeway. Living within blocks of Crescent Park and the beach, it is truly a place you want to call home. Today we are marketing a traditional colonial-style home complete with a Stanley Park rear garden, pool, and spa. Thank you for watching. We look forward to showing you through this wonderful property.